What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to show you how to make money typing from home. Now, a lot of people question, is typing actually a great business to get into? And yes, it is. It's actually one of the ways I started back in 2006. So I didn't get to where I am by doing some fancy, business and running some multi-million dollar, extravagant thing. I did freelance writing. That's where I started. And that's what propelled my business to exactly where it is today. And I want to show you how to do the exact same thing. Now, in this video, I'm also going to show you the one website anybody can go to. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. Anybody can go to this website and start making money. So let's go. All right, guys. So I promise you, I'm going to show you the website that anybody can go to. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. You can be from India. You could be from Mexico, from Canada, United States. You can be from South Africa, okay, it doesn't matter. Brazil, it doesn't matter where you're at in the world. You can make money using this site. So it's called digitalpoint.com. You can see it right here, okay? Now, once you are here, you can go and log in, create an account. Okay, it's all free. But once you're here, okay, the best part about it is that once you're here, you go to forums, okay? We'll just click on forums. Once we are here at the forums, we're going to scroll down, okay? We're going to scroll down into buy, sell, trade right here. And we're going to click on services right here. Okay. This is where you can offer services and specifically writing, design, programming, traffic, web hosting. There's more. But you get the idea. We're going to click on content creation. From here, what we want to do is we want to look at people that are buying. Okay. Because you are selling the service. You want somebody that is buying your service. So, looking for Amazon product writer expert, okay? So, I'm not sure how much they're willing to pay. We can open up that. Someone experienced in After Effects, quick $5, okay? See right there. I need to create 5 15-second YouTube intro for religious church. I already have the After Effects project file. You just need to edit it, okay? So, that's not actually content creation as far as writing, okay? Need native English writers for bulk order, okay? Topic will be on casinos. So you can just come here and just start looking. So let's look, okay? Native English writers for bulk order. Need approximately, I think that's 500,000 words. Topic is on English. What you have here is the mother of all typos, okay? I'm not sure how much they're really charging or they're willing to pay, but it's something. Okay, there's somebody that wants Amazon product writing expert. Okay, they're willing to pay between $3 to $4 per 500 words max. Okay, so that's max, $3 to $4. So this would be a good thing to get in the door. Okay, get in, start writing some Amazon product reviews, and then use those as a reference, as a referral that, hey, I did these. This product is already ranking #1 on Amazon. So anybody that needs a product review written on Amazon, let me know, right? That would be a great little, beginner style writing job to do. Copy and paste, content writers for blockchain, cryptocurrency blog. That's another great thing, okay? Once you create an account, one of the things you can do is you can offer to sell your work, okay? So let's see. I saw one just a second ago. Right here, soccer writer, writing at its best, only $2 for each 300-word article, okay? So, there's one right there. Hello, Digital Point community, I'm providing my soccer writing services to anybody that is in need of it. I'm a soccer player and fan that can provide you with up-to-date results, team, whatever, okay? So, $2 for every 300-word article. Not bad. You are selling a service. This is just to get you in the door. And you could easily make, $100 an hour. You could easily make $100 an hour writing articles, not for $2 for a 300-word article, but you start writing, $5 for a 200-word article, a 250-word article, so 2.5 cents per word. You could easily get to $100 an hour, okay, depending on how fast you write. If you're charging $5, $10 for, a 200-300-word article, you're gonna get there even faster, okay? So yes, this isn't just $100 a day. You could seriously make $100 an hour doing this exact same thing. Now, let me show you another place you can go to. YouTube. Okay, you know about YouTube, you obviously do, you're here watching the video. But on YouTube, one of the things you can do is you can go and offer to write a description for people, okay? This is something that I showed you guys in a video probably maybe 4 or 5 months ago. I talked about offering a service where you write the description, where you go in and you do all the keyword research, okay? For example, let's say I'm gonna look for, let's see, how to lose weight as a, let's do toddler, okay? Let's just see if there's anything. Losing weight as a toddler, okay? That's probably not a good idea. As a teen, okay? So there we go. So let's say I want to come over here and I want to do a description for somebody, okay? One of the things I would do is I try to find a video that has been recently published, okay? So I wouldn't just come over here and start scrolling down. I'd write my keyword, how to lose weight as a teen. I'd click on filter, then I'd click on upload date, okay? So then it's going to sort it by its upload date. Now, here's one of the things I would do. I'd try to figure out if anybody has, decent amount of subscribers, 1,000 plus, and they're not getting the views, okay? Because if you have 1,000, you got the, 4,000 hours of watch time, you're going to start making some money from ads. So let's look at this one. This guy right here. 3 months ago, 2.4 million views, 14,000 subscribers. Let's click on this one. I'll show you something. Okay, hopefully it works. But so we're gonna come here. I'm gonna go ahead and pause that video. We're gonna watch it. Okay, we're gonna scroll down. Let's see what his description box. So right here, one thing, I started going to the gym when I was 5'7", 14 years old, and I weighed about 185 pounds. Dropped down to 50 pounds, then gained some muscle. Okay, great. Hopefully this video motivates you guys. Always remember that the grind never stops, okay? So if we were to look at this and see, he has all these different tags down here. Probably some keywords that he's trying to go after. But there are hardly any keywords here inside the description box. One of the things I would do is I'd offer Mod Sani, that I'd say, hey, this is a service that I offer. I read your description, watched your video, your weight loss transformation, fat to fit video, awesome, absolutely love it. But I think you could get more traffic if you decided on, fixing your description. Add some more keywords, add some more links inside of YouTube, made it a little bit more engaging to people that watch the video. Because you gotta understand, if people watch the video, and then they might want to see the sequel, the second part. Well, that's where the description box and the comment section come into play. So that's what you need to do. Don't just offer people that, hey, I'm gonna write you an article over here, but let them know I could also write a description for you from a YouTube video that you've already done. And I'll charge you, $2.50, and I'll do 4 different ones. I'll do 4 different videos, okay? I'll write a few hundred words and just put it on there, and I'll send it off to you, and you can change it if you want to, or just paste it as is. And that's a great thing, because some people just want you to send it to them. They can put it on their video if they like it or not, and they're good to go. Cost them $10, and they have 4 descriptions, better descriptions, or professional descriptions that they didn't have before. What this means is they can probably, okay, and I say probably, get more traffic by having a better description than just this, okay? So hopefully this helps you out. So before you go, I want to give you a couple pieces of advice. The first piece of advice, that if you are serious about making money typing, writing online, you can, but you have to be consistent with getting the jobs, okay? You have to send out emails to bloggers and to other online business owners and see, do they need any type of content written? If they do, could you work for them? You need to send out bids over on Upwork or freelance, or maybe you're getting jobs on Fiverr or other forums other than Digital Point. You just have to be consistent. The more consistent you are with getting jobs, interacting with other people, networking, the more money you're gonna be able to make. The second thing, and this is what really built my business, is I offer people a discounted rate for my work in the beginning, just so that they could be familiar with how I do business. they could be familiar with, okay, yes, I do offer unlimited revisions. I also offer, if they're not happy with it, I want them to have 100%, money back guarantee, 100% satisfaction. Okay, if they're not satisfied with my work, I give them their money back. Okay, so one of the things that I really recommend that you do, yeah, your writing may be worth 5 cents per word. You may be getting paid $5 per 100 word article that you write. However, even though you're worth that, try charging $2 for every 100 word article, or try charging $1, or I even went down to 75 cents per 100 word article, but they had to order at least a 500 word article in order to get that discounted rate. And I offered that because I knew that was better than anybody else out there that spoke English, okay, that was very familiar with the English language, okay, was pretty good. I'm a okay writer. I'm not gonna say very good, I'm an okay writer, but I'm definitely worth 75 cents per 100 words. But that's what I did. I offered that discount to people so that they could be familiar with my work, and because of that, in return, they gave me a lot of work, okay, up front. They pay me, and then after that, that's when I hit them with, okay, you saw how I work, you saw, what I did, what I did for you and your business, so now we're going back to my normal rate, 5 cents per word, okay, or 3 cents per word, because that's where people are gonna be happy with your work. They're like, okay, I'm more than happy to pay you 5 cents per word because you're worth it, all right? So that's all I got for you guys today. If you have any questions, make sure you ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.